Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accused. 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 Accused is a noun that refers to a person or individuals who are charged with wrongdoing, typically in the context of being accused of committing a crime or an offense. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The accused in the murder trial maintained their innocence throughout the proceedings. Why accused is used in example number 1. In legal proceedings, accused is used to refer to the person charged with the crime and their stance on the matter. Example number 2. The eyewitness identified the accused as the person they saw near the scene. Why accused is used in example number 2. In witness testimony, accused refers to the person the eyewitness identified as being near the scene. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.